Assalamu alaikum class 6. Hope you are fine. This is the third lecture of the Islamic studies, and this is Miss Uruj, your Islamic teacher. In this lecture we are introducing chapter number 2, that is the benefits of tasmiha. That is on the book page number 13. The topics that included in this lecture is the introduction of chapter number 2, benefit of tasmiya, book page number 13, concept of ta'awuz and tasmiya, importance of tasmiya, activity and home task. So class, for the starting of the topic, that is the benefit of tasmiya. What is tasmiya is? Before starting any work, we have to recite the word, that is Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So these words are called tasmiya. So class, open your book page number 13, the chapter that is the benefit of tasmiya. We have to read that chapter. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim is ta'awuz, and Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim is called tasmiya. Our elders has always insisted that we should recite the tasmiya before we begin any task. Many students will wonder why reciting the tasmiya is so important. Let us learn about the excellence and features of tasmiya. It is proved by a hadith that the tasmiya is the seal of Allah the Almighty on all actions and tasks. In other words, all tasks started after reciting the tasmiya will be blessed with the prosperity from beginning to end. Allama Sayyid Ismail Haqi says, Allah the Almighty has 3,000 names. He has revealed 1,000 each to the angels and to his blessed prophets. The Torah, the Zabur and the Bible have 300 each. 99 names are revealed in the Holy Quran, and he has kept secret one name. The meaning of all these names are contained in 3 names founded in the tasmiya, that is Rahim, Rahman and Allah. Whosoever recite the tasmiya has remembered Allah the Almighty by all his 3,000 names. The importance of tasmiya can also be gauged by referring to the tradition of Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu ta'ala anha, that the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whosoever performs the wuzu without reciting the tasmiya first will be absolved of all the sins committed by his body parts. On the other hand, all the sins of the person who perform this ablution with reciting of the tasmiya will be forgiven. Mishkat. Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu ta'ala anha narrates that the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, when you hear the barking of dogs and the bearing of donkeys at night, ask for the protection of Allah the Almighty from the devil, as they can see things which cannot be seen by you. When at night there is no one on the roads, avoid going out, as Allah the Almighty disperses his other creatures. When you lock your doors, read the tasmiya, because if the door is closed in this way, the devil cannot enter through it. Mishkat. In the same way, the devil also tries to join us in our meals. If the tasmiya is not read before a meal, the devil immediately called out to his friends that a meal is ready for them. If Tasmiyah has been read, he becomes very disappointed and says to his friends that this meal is not for them and they should look for it somewhere else. A tradition of Hazrat Huzaifa radiallahu ta'ala anha narrates that Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the devil considers that meal is acceptable for himself and his companions which has not been started with the name of Allah the Almighty. Hazrat Abu Ayyub Ansari radiallahu ta'ala anha has related the following incident. We were with the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and when a meal was served to us, we started eating it. At first, it seems that the meal would be more than enough for us, but it fell short towards the end. We wondered how this had happened. The Holy Prophet ﷺ answered, when we started the meal, all of us except one started the meal without the name of Allah the Almighty. So the devil got the opportunity to join us. Our Holy Prophet. So class, we know that the Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim, the Tasmiyah is so important. Our Holy Prophet ﷺ came as a mercy for us, Rahmatul lil Alameen, and he taught us all the correct principle of ethical behavior so as to lead righteous lives. If we follow them faithfully, we will be safe and secure from the evil plans of the devil. We will gain success in this life and in the hereafter, and join the band of those who are favored and loved by Allah the Almighty. May He protect us every moment and grant us the strength to withstand the wiles of the devils. Ameen. So class, there is an activity given in the book page number 15 that the class should prepare cardboard box and place them in all the classroom to collect Quranic verses so as to save them from the discretion. Means the Quranic verse is so important and we have to respect it. We should not throw it on the floor because it is a sin. So you have to make some boxes for your classroom or for your home to collect all these verses, and the last you have to go to any masjid and submit it because it's a good deed. So class, as the home task, you have to read the chapter The Benefit of Tasmiyah completely. It will help you in the further discussion of the lesson and you will be able to answer the relevant question of the lesson. Okay class? So there are some questions given in the book page number 15. You have to answer it by your own self. Answer the following question in your notebooks page number 15. You have to do question number 2 and question number 3. Don't do question number 1. Question number 2 is, what does the devil try to do when we sit down for a meal? What did the Holy Prophet ﷺ say regarding this? You have to find out the answer from this chapter and write it in your notebook. Question number 3, narrate the experience of Hazrat Abu Ayyub Ansari when the Tasmiyah was not recited at the beginning of the meal. You have to narrate this experience in your own words, that what happened when Tasmiyah was not recited before starting a meal. So class, hope you understand the topic and you are doing this home task very well. We will meet soon inshallah. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.